Example 5. Are the points 3, 2, -2, -3 and 2, 3 form a triangle? To solve this problem, learn this formulae and these values. Condition for triangle. The sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. Distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root 50 approximately equals to 7.07 units. Root 52 approximately equals to 7.21 units. Root 2 approximately equals to 1.41 units. Given points 3, 2, -2, -3 and 2, 3. Here we draw a triangle. A, B, C. Let the points be A, B, C. Here we find AB, that is distance AB. Let the points be x1, y1, x2, y2. We know distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Apply this formula. Distance AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equals to square root of x2. x2 is minus 2. As it is negative, put it in brackets. Minus x1. x1 is 3 whole square plus y2. y2 is minus 3. As it is negative, put it in brackets. Minus y1. y1 is 2 whole square. It is equals to square root of minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square is equals to square root of minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 whole square, that is equals to square root of minus 5 whole square. See here, minus 5 whole square is equals to minus 5 into minus 5 is equals to minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25. Now minus 5 whole square is 25 plus minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square is 25. That is equals to square root of 25 plus 25 is 50 is equals to, we know square root of 50 is approximately is equals to 7.07 units. Here we write square root of 50 as 7.07 units. Finally, we got AB is equals to 7.07 units. Here we write AB is equals to 7.07 units. Now we find BC. We know B is -2 comma -3 and C is 2 comma 3. Let the points be x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. We know distance BC is equals to, here we know distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Apply this formula. Distance BC is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equals to square root of x2. x2 is 2 minus x1. x1 is minus 2. As it is negative, put it in brackets. Whole square plus y2. y2 is 3 minus y1. y1 is minus 3. As it is negative, put it in brackets. Whole square. That is equals to square root of 2 minus into minus is plus 2 whole square plus 3 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. That is equals to square root of 2 plus 2 is 4 whole square plus 3 plus 3 is 6 whole square. That is equals to square root of 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16, plus 6 square is 6 into 6, that is 36, is equals to square root of 16 plus 36 is 52, is equals to, we know root 52 is approximately equals to 7.21 units. So in place of root 52, we write it as 7.21 units. Finally, we got distance BC is equals to 7.21 units. Here we write BC is equals to 7.21 units. Now we find AC. We know A is 3, 2 and C is 2, 3. Let the points be x1, y1, x2, y2. We find distance AC. We know distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Apply this formula. distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to square root of x2. x2 is 2 minus x1. x1 is 3 whole square plus y2. y2 is 3 minus y1. y1 is 2 whole square is equals to square root of 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 is 1 whole square is equals to square root of minus 1 whole square. See here, minus 1 whole square is equals to minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. Therefore, minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 1 square is 1 into 1, that is 1 is equals to square root of 1 plus 1 is 2. We know root 2 is approximately equals to 1.41 units. So, in place of root 2, we write it as 1.41 units. Finally, we got distance AC is equals to 1.41 units. Here, we write AC is equals to 1.41 units. Here we got AB is equals to 7.07 units. AB is equals to 7.07 units. BC is equals to 7.21 units. BC is equals to 7.21 units. AC is equals to 1.41 units. AC is equals to 1.41 units. We know the condition for triangle is the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. Here we add BC plus AC. BC plus AC is equals to BC is 7.21 plus AC. AC is 1.41 is equals to 7.21 plus 1.41. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 7 plus 1, 8. We got 8.62. 8.62. And BC plus AC is 8.62. AB is 7.07. Here the condition is the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. We got it. That is BC plus AC is 8.62. AB is equals to 7.07. Here 8.62 is greater than 7.07. That is BC plus AC is greater than AB. Hence, the given points A 3, 2, B -2, -3 and C 2 comma 3 forms a triangle. Forms a triangle.